Hello, Fanfines. It's your girl, Victoria, speaking to you from Royal Cup. And who am I to be your host? So today we are to discuss what a shoe break or a shoe kit, what it actually is. Some people come to IDM to ask, is it safe? Is it really safe to drive with a washed shoe kit? Hmm. My dears, the answer is no. Buko, don't risk it. And that is why I'm here to throw more light to what this shoe kit, what it is, and the importance. You see this particular thing you see here, it's called a shoe brake 206. This is a shoe brake 206. So if you have a vehicle, a 206, this is what your shoe kit looks like. This is not the brake pad, but this is shoe kit. This is the shoe brake. This particular thing you're looking at here now is a component in a vehicle braking system that works along the brake pads. This works along the brake pads. And this particular thing you're looking at now helps stop the vehicle by reducing its speed during braking. This thing helps reduce, not just the brake pad alone. This assists with your brakes, not just the 206 for any vehicle. Your shoe kit or your shoe pad, your shoe brake pad. This assists the brake pads to reduce speed during braking. This is a component in a vehicle braking system that works along the brake pad. This thing works along the brake pad. It's like an assistant. The brake pads are the manager. This is the assistant manager to your brakes in every car. This thing assists in creating that friction that is needed to slow your vehicle, the speed when driving, this particular thing. So when you're driving and you notice that this thing is washed, please look for the nearest mechanic. Have this replaced. And that is when Royal Cup comes in. It's not just to get shoe brake from any company, but I'm saying where to get quality shoe brakes, like this 206 now, where to get quality shoe brakes from. No place is coming to my head if it is not Royal Cup. Because here at Royal Cup, your safety is a priority. So if you want to get quality shoe brakes, ones that you buy and it doesn't wash off quickly or easily, that lasts longer, please remember Royal Cup. DM us on any of our social media handles, or you call that hot number on the screen. And no matter where you are, in the bush, oh, on the road, oh, outside the country, oh, in the country, oh, in the village, oh, no matter where it is, we'll have it delivered to you as fast as possible. So feel free to give us a call on this number on your screen, or you DM us, place your order. The festive season is around the corner. And my candid advice to all vehicle owners is please do not drive your vehicle with I can manage it parts. No, for the sake of your life. A healthy vehicle means a safer you. Because when your vehicle is healthy, you are safe. You don't need to be driving and then along the line, your vehicle starts overheating or your brake is not braking. Now, so please get quality items, quality spare parts from Royal Cup. We'll have it delivered to you no matter where you are, in this country and outside the country, interstate, in the states, no matter where it is. Yes, our office is one of our head office is located at Aspanda. Contact us, and you have these quality spare parts delivered to you at your doorstep, no matter where it is, and on time. Remember, Royal Call is the one company you can trust.